Herman Miller 2 fans, Office Logic Shop is more than pleased to introduce you to a world of comfort with its Mirra 2 headrest. This video will serve as a tutorial for installing the Mirra 2 headrest, along with the installation of the headrest insert with fabric option. Let's get right into it. Using an Allen wrench, lower the bolt to make a space for the metal bracket to be hooked on your Mirra 2 chair's back. Attach the headrest and tighten the bolt. If you have a mesh fabric back, please be careful and don't force it while attaching the headrest to avoid damaging the back. If you installed your Mirra 2 headrest correctly, the headrest will be secure and not moving or wiggling. Easy and simple, right? Now, if you want to install or replace the headrest insert with fabric option, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws around the headrest as shown. To access the last two screws, you have to completely lower the headrest down from the bottom tension controls. Make sure to save all the screws. Once the insert is out, get your new one and align it onto the headrest, then snap it into the holes. We have multiple color options, such as black, gray, orange, and more. Finally, insert the screws that you put aside earlier and tighten them. Adjust your Herman Miller Mirra 2 headrest according to your sweet spot. Here we are, showing you the resilience of our headrest. Note how the headrest is perfectly secured. It's flexible and durable, and most importantly, comfortable for your daily needs. If you would like to disassemble the upper and lower connections, you can check our Air-On headrest video in the description below, since it follows the exact same steps. Order your Herman Miller Mirra 2 headrest from Office Logic Shop today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more announcements and updates.